We've got this 1960s detached house in this fabulous estate here in Bishopstown. The wish list is massive, but that's because of the age of the house. What I love most about this house is how the original design, they kept the house back from the street and it stands proud with its chest out. By building on a small extension and opening up the original home, we've got 40 square meters, and have we come up with a really cool design. Our kitchen is going to be right behind us, and the finish and the materials are really give it that classic look. In this location, this is where we're going to have our dining, and right here where I'm standing is where we've got our living. Where our kitchen ends, we've allocated this area as a kids play zone. We've got storage, and at the very back we've got a large space, and this has been allocated to our utility room. It's right here is the location and the entrance to this new beautiful home. Behind us is where we've relocated our stairs. Upstairs we've got 4 large double bed bedrooms, and we've a beautifully tiled main bathroom. This brings us to the very front of this home. We've got a big living room here, and our interior design team have come up with some really classic finishes that give this home that finishing touch. It's the madness of this construction that gets me out of bed every morning. Can you imagine handing over 65 of this level project? This handover, which is the most important one today, will be the 28th of June.